Hi guys, good morning. Today I am off down to Cardiff to spend some time with my dad and the baby. I thought I'd just maybe vlog this little trip. I don't know what we're doing. I think we're going swimming at some point with Diddy, and we've got my cousin's little birthday. So I just thought I'd vlog it. I thought it might be a nice thing to do. It's currently like 6 AM, so I feel like my coffee's not kicked in yet. But I've just given Diddy some Weetabix and banana, and he's covered in that, and he's just enjoying some water. And yeah. What are you doing? Good boy, you finished all your Weetabix and banana. Is that tasty? Yeah. You can't drink it that way, you need to lift it up. No, look, you're covered, we didn't put a bib on. Shall we go get ready? Shall we go get ready? Yeah. Right, baby is dressed. You ready to go? I just need to get dressed and put my makeup on. Yeah? Should we do that? And should we get ready to go? Yeah. This is the game we play when I'm doing my makeup. Okay then, are we ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, okay. 1, 2. Oh, you did it yourself then. Come here then. 1, 2, 3. You were laughing a minute ago. Come on then. Come back. Come back then. Come on, should we do it again? Should we do it again? Oh, don't mind my rubbish over there. Our bin broke the other week. Come on then. Oh, it's steady on. Trying to put my makeup on. Come on then. Yeah? Never a quiet moment with you, is it? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Is the phone distracting you? Come on. Come on. Crush. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
When love comes in, ooh la la la. Love comes in, ooh la la la.
What have you got? Have you got some boats?
When love comes in,
Yeah, you know. Oh, look at that snazzy collar. Hi. Hello. What are you doing? What a little boat. What's that?
Some smiley boy. Yeah.
love you.
When love comes in, ooh la la la. Love comes in, ooh la la la.
What's that? Is that a pussycat? What is it?
Love comes in, ooh la la la.
Hello, yes. I'm not forgotten you either. Having some pea and parsnip and pears for tea. Nom nom nom. Nom nom nom. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. Do you want some more? Do you want some more? While I'm here, I thought I'd just give you a little tour of my dad's house. I love coming home to my dad's. It's always just so cosy. And I love it in the winter. Obviously it's summer at the moment, so we won't really be using the log fire. But I love using that. In here we just have the dining room. Hello. Hiya. Oh, you look like you're having fun. It's a little dining room. Oh yeah. Hello. And in here's the kitchen. There's my stepbrother. He lives in Australia. So hi Tom. And we've just got a little laundry room. This is my dad and my stepmom's magnet collection. They always get one wherever they go, and this is one from when we used to live in Chester. They haven't got one of where we live now. Maybe we need to get them one of those. And then we've just got like a little office in here, the bathroom, and then up here is our little gallery wall. Well, I say our, it's my stepmom. And then this is Cwtch. Cwtch is like a hug, a proper good hug in Welsh. And this is my card. I love this. Best dad ever, from your favourite child. Oh, hey, look. It's me. Who's that?
Ooh la la la.
Hello. Oh, I'm surprised you've not gone for that dresser actually, because it's so shiny. Yeah. Surprised you're not in that one.
One can make do.
I just like knew that one.
Well, this is Tracy's mate.
Ooh la la la.
doing? Boo.
Hi guys! So today we are off to Cardiff Bay to take Did swimming with my stepmom and my dad. Can't wait, it's going to be really nice. They haven't seen him swimming yet, so that'll be exciting. So we're just going to go off on our way now. See you in a bit.
Hey, mister. Are we going to go swimming? Are we going swimming? Swimming with Nanny and Bumpy.
Ooh la la la.
Proper granddad dancing, eh?
You want to bring your dad in? I like to see you dance like that.
Good morning. How you doing? Is that your toes? Is that your toes? Is that your toes?
Ooh la la la.